Hey guys, let me show you how to create a modal in Webflow without using Webflow interactions and code. I have in this video, I'll be using Popover API. You can go through our documentation. I will link it in the video below the video. Add a button. I have used custom element and button and have created a modal and designed it in Webflow. So once done, first thing to do is click on the modal what you want it to be converted, and add a data attribute as popover and give it a ID, unique ID, and copy this ID whatever you have given and go to the button where you want on click you want to open it. Data attributes, add this data attribute popover target and give the name whatever you have given the ID. So for this I had given popover 1, so we have pasted it here. So once done, I think whenever you give the popover data attribute here, it will automatically hide. So give it a custom combo class and set it to block for it to be visible. Once done, you can just remove the combo class and it will automatically hide for you. And this is how it works. So if I refresh the page and click on the modal 1, you can see the modal is 1 is open, and if I click 2, it opens 2, and if I click anywhere outside the modal, it will automatically close, and you don't have to add any custom code or Webflow interactions here. There are multiple options. You can control it with the JavaScript and also customize it with CSS. I will link the documentation. Let me know if you want me to make a deeper video on how to style. Let's say if there is a close button, how to close it using that. I will make a different video on it.